Hey everybody, so I just opened up my Rose Everyday strips by ColorStreet, the new packaging, and it's also from the new spring line. So this is it. So we have the two larger strips, which usually you use for your big toe, your thumb, and then your other fingers or toes. So today I'm going to do a quick video and show you how to apply it when you're doing a pedicure. A lot of people are like, well, you can use it on your toes as a pedicure, and I love it because it's easy, it's quick. Your toes, like when they press together, the polish doesn't smudge because the ColorStreet is already dry strips of polish, and it stays on for a very long time. So I'm going to show you really quickly how to apply it on your toes. So first of all, I'm sitting at my counter, and I'm just going to put my feet up on this chair, and I'm going to use these larger strips for my big toe. So I'm just going to rip off this one here. And I've also already cleaned my toenails with the alcohol pads that come with the kit as well. So it's just like how you apply on your fingers. So you have the top part that you're going to rip off, that's the clear part. And then you're going to grab the silver tab and separate the paper from the polish strip. And then, just like you do your nails, guys, you're going to line up this with the middle part of your nail bed. Just like that. And then gently use your thumbnail to break away the strip. Okay. And then this other piece I'm going to use on my other big toe. Just like that. Press it down really firmly, make sure the edges are all good, and then use your thumb to kind of cut off the extra part of the strip. And you're good. So there you go. My two larger toes are done. And what's kind of neat about, because your other toes are so tiny, is that for some of these strips you can actually use on 3 of your toes because they're so small. So you have enough strip here to use on 3 of your smaller toes. So that's really quick how to apply ColorStreet as a pedicure. Thank you guys. Bye.